In this video, we will explain how to create and configure user roles. Roles define a set of permissions that control what users can view, edit, and delete within the system. They help QA teams ensure the right level of access for each user based on their responsibilities. Let's explore how customers use roles in their daily workflows. In this example, there are 3 roles: Team Lead, Manager, and Tester. Each role has access to specific areas of the application, tailored to its responsibilities. To assign a role to users in a specific project, navigate to the sidebar and click All Projects. Select a project and click Edit from the drop-down. In the Edit Project panel, under the Access section, you will see a list of all users in the project. In this example, Andrew is assigned the Tester role and can view test cases and test runs, but cannot modify them. Grace will have Manager role. She will be able to edit and delete test runs and test cases in this project. In the second project, we want to assign Grace limited permissions, allowing her to only view and run test cases and test runs. This example shows how you can grant different levels of access to users across projects based on their responsibilities. Let's take a look at how to create and configure user roles. To create a new user role, click the New button at the top of the Roles page. Enter the role name in the text field. In this example, we will create QA Lead role. Select Save to store the new role. The new role has been successfully created. To view and edit permissions for a newly created role, click the role name in the left panel. On the right side, you can configure View, Edit, and Delete permissions for each application area. Apply your changes by clicking Save button. Roles ensure every team member has the right level of access to perform their tasks effectively. Set up roles to keep your testing process organized, secure, and easy to manage. Thank you for watching.